Panna cotta. The name itself sounds like a dream, doesn't it? This classic Italian dessert is all about simplicity and pure flavors. Imagine a silky, smooth custard, like a luxurious cloud on your tongue. That's panna cotta. It's the perfect ending to any meal, light yet satisfying. Originating in the Piedmont region of Italy, panna cotta is surprisingly easy to make at home. With just a few basic ingredients, you can create this elegant dessert that will impress your family and friends. Are you ready to bring a touch of Italian dolce vita to your kitchen? Let's get started! For the panna cotta, 2 cups heavy cream, half a cup granulated sugar, a quarter cup whole milk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 packet, which is a quarter ounce, of unflavored gelatin. For the toppings, choose your favorites. Fresh berries like raspberries, strawberries or blueberries, chocolate shavings, chopped pistachios, honey caramel sauce. Step 1. Preparing the gelatin. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. This means the gelatin will absorb the water and soften, ensuring a smooth texture. Step 2. Heating the cream mixture. In a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, sugar and milk. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Do not let the mixture boil. Step 3. Infusing the vanilla. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. The heat from the cream will release the fragrant vanilla flavor. Step 4. Adding the gelatin. Add the bloomed gelatin to the warm cream mixture. Stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Step 5. Pouring and chilling. Divide the mixture evenly among 4 small ramekins or glasses. Cover each ramekin with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This allows the panna cotta to set completely. Section 4. Tips for texture and flavorful twists. For a firmer panna cotta, use a little more gelatin, about 1½ teaspoons. For a lighter texture, use 1½ cups of heavy cream and half a cup of half and half. Infuse the cream mixture with different flavors by adding a cinnamon stick, a few cardamom pods, or a strip of orange zest while heating. To unmold panna cotta, dip the ramekins briefly in hot water and invert them onto serving plates. Section 5. The art of topping and garnishing. Once your panna cotta has chilled and set, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Berry delight. Top with a mixture of fresh berries like raspberries, strawberries and blueberries. The tartness of the berries complements the sweetness of the panna cotta beautifully. Chocolate indulgence. Shave some dark chocolate over the panna cotta for a sophisticated touch. You can also drizzle with chocolate sauce. Nutty crunch. Sprinkle chopped pistachios or toasted almonds for a contrasting crunch. Honeycomb heaven. Crumble some honeycomb over the top for a unique and delicious topping. Citrus zest. Add a final touch of flavor and aroma by grating some lemon or orange zest just before serving. Section 6. Conclusion. Your panna cotta adventure awaits. See? Making panna cotta is easier than you think. With a little patience and these simple steps, you can create this impressive Italian dessert in your own kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and toppings to make it your own. So go ahead, gather your ingredients, and embark on your panna cotta adventure. Buon appetito!